Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make Acuity scheduling website. Acuity scheduling is one of the most popular scheduling or booking platforms around. And you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. Once on their website, you're going to tap on Get Started in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on Get Started, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you'll be able to enter your business name. So for example, I can type in my business name right here. After you have done that, you will see that you're provided with a scheduling page URL. Then you're going to tap on Next. After you have tapped on Next, you can name the service that you would like to provide. So for example, you can select consultation or whatever type of appointment you'll be providing. So let's say for example, I will be providing consultation. I can type that in real quick. Then you can select the duration. So for example, 60 minutes, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever is your duration. Then you can also select the appointment type, whether it will be a one-on-one appointment that you're offering or a group appointment. You can select either option. Then from here, you can select the price that you would like to offer your services for. So let's say for example, $100. Then we're going to tap on Next. After tapping on Next, from here, you can set up the times that you will be available or the days that you'll be available. Let's say for example, 3 days per week, so Monday to Wednesday. So I'll simply select these 3 days. Then from here, you can select the time. So from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I'm going to simply delete the 5 right here and put 3. So let's do that real quick. So I'm going to do that for the 3 days. You can choose the days that you will be available. Then you will simply tap right there. If you would like to add a start and end time, you can do that by simply tapping on Add Row, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Next. Then from here, you can set up the payment methods that you would like to offer. So for example, if I were to tap on Connect, I would be redirected to a new page. And you can see you're provided with the opportunity to connect your Stripe account, Square account, and your PayPal account. You can also select the currency. And by the way, by scrolling down, you can choose whether you'd like to collect deposits or full payment, or you'd like to collect and save their card information also, as you can see right here. You can select either one of these options once you're signed up. Now that we have signed up, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here you could tap on scheduling page link. After tapping on scheduling page link, you can see the link right there. If I were to tap on copy and open a new tab and go onto it, you can see how my scheduling page looks. So you can see the service consultation, 45 minutes at $100. Then you scroll down and you will select the time. After you have done that, you can see right there 45 minutes at 9. Then you can tap on your information. So they'll tap on continue. Then from here, they'll be able to fill in their first, last name, phone number, email. After they have done that, they'll tap on complete appointment, and then they'll select confirmation once they have finished paid. So if we were to go back from here, what I want you to do next is you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you could tap on calendar. But before doing that, if it is a case that you would like to embed your Acuity scheduling page on your website or so on another website, you can do that by tapping on embed other, and you can copy it right here. You can also get a booking button by tapping on booking button. You could copy the HTML code as you can see right here. And if you were to tap on calendar from the left-hand menu option, you can see a sample booking and how it looks. So this is where you'll be able to see when someone has booked your service. And you can also manually add bookings by tapping on add new. You could add a new appointment. And you can also block off time if you want. So if you'd like to take some time off, you could tap on block off. And then from there, you can type in the time and date that you'd like to block off. And you can also set it up to repeat so it can be recurring. So let's say, for example, you would like to block off 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. or like a lunch break or so on. You can schedule it right here. And also, if you were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on invoices, from here you will be able to see all your previous invoices, and you can also use it to create a new invoice right here that you'll be able to quickly share with a client. So you can create a new invoice here if you want. In case that you would like to add another service, for example, another service instead of consultation, you can do that real quick by simply going to the top left hand corner. Then from there, you can simply tap on schedule in. After you have done that and you're on this page, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on scheduling page. Then you're going to select Acuity scheduling in the top left hand corner. Once you're on your main Acuity dashboard, from here, all you'll need to do now is create appointment types. You'll tap on more. Then from there, you can add in the other appointments that you'd like to offer. You can also customize your scheduling page further by tapping on design. And from here, you can make different customizing options. So you could change how the calendar appears, as you can see right here. You can also tap on scheduling page option. So let me save this change real quick. So I can tap on save changes right here. After I've tapped on save changes, if it was a case that I would like to change the background, I could do that. You can see that you can change the header text color and so on. You are provided with numerous customizing options. Once everything is to your liking, you will simply tap on scheduling page in the top left hand corner. After doing that, you can also see further customizing options. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.